Hello dear friends, today I will share with you a strategy that is very effective, and if you follow the rules exactly, you can surely increase your capital regularly. It is always known that there is a high possibility of high returns by making short, medium, and long-term investments in financial assets on the stock market, but please do not forget that carelessly made buy and sell movements can lead to bankruptcy. Now, the strategy I will share with you will protect you from a bad scenario and increase your capital if you strictly adhere to the rules of the strategy and apply it with patience. My only request from you is to subscribe to the channel so that you can be informed immediately of my future videos and click on the like button so that I can reach a larger audience. Also, if you had any questions about this strategy, please write in the comment section and I will try to help you with pleasure. Now let's move on to the strategy. First, I will bring up the settings of the indicators we will use for this strategy one by one on the screen. If you want, you can pause the video to make the settings more comfortable. Now I'm quiet and bringing the settings to the screen. I will return when we move on to the rules. Yes, now let's move on to our trading rules. Let's first look at an example of a suitable long position. Rule 1. For a long position, the supertrend line must be green and below the price. Rule 2. The blue moving average line must also be below the price. Rule 3. Price must close at least one candle below the blue line and close above the line again. Rule 4. After closing above the line, the trade is entered with the close of the first green candle, which coincides with the yellow block of the VSA indicator at the bottom. Please be careful. If you do not see a yellow block in the VSA indicator, which is definitely below the green candle that closes above the blue line, do not open a trade on that candle. I think you understand the rules. If you have any questions, please write in the comments section. I will gladly try to help. Now let's look at another example of a long position. Rule 1. For a long position, the supertrend line must be green and below the price. Rule 2. The blue moving average line must also be below the price. Rule 3. Price must close at least one candle below the blue line and close above the line again. Rule 4. After closing above the line, the trade is entered with the close of the first green candle, which coincides with the yellow block of the VSA indicator at the bottom. Now let's look at the short position example. Yes, all the conditions we wanted were fulfilled here. Let's take a quick look. 1. The supertrend line is in red. 2. Price closed first above and then below the blue moving average. 3. The last visible red candle coincides with the yellow-colored block of the VSA indicator. And let's finish our video by looking at one last short position example. If you like this strategy, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be instantly informed about my upcoming videos.